ONON stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing on holding stock, I mean, I'm aware it's like 3% up and whatnot. I like the market cap, and phenomenally, like, it's a bullish market for me. And generally looking at this, last time I made a video, I was looking for longs, but like once the price didn't give me the rules here, I just absolutely abandoned it. And that was in October. Since then, it's been just sitting here. Here, previously, I got some longs there as well. But like generally speaking right now, once Tuesday opens, the only thing that I'm kind of doubling down on is like those longs that I'm talking about, right? So how's that gonna look like? I mean, a simple approach, man. Like I'm talking, I want to see like a little retracements, and then as long as the price comes down and shows me that proper shift, then that's fine with me. I mean, it doesn't even have to top the zone. I'm just saying it's a key level, but yeah, everything else other than that is pure noise for me. It's obviously not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.